In this video, I'm going to show you if this Uganda P2P arbitrage is still working or is actually work or not. I come across a lot of video that says you can use cheaper account to make this trade since you are in Nigeria and cheaper function like most of various African countries. I'm going to let you know if this is possible or not. Make sure you stick to the end of this video so you can know maybe this is possible or not, because I actually make this trade. I'm going to show you the results. So they will tell you to buy. Let me go to P2P. They will tell you to buy USDT around here. Let me go buy. Then I'm going to press crypto. It will tell you to buy. Then let me go back. 20.25. So as I'm buying this worth of quantity of this USDT with my naira, I'm going to be paying 85,296 naira. So then they will tell you to minimize after buying this, to minimize, then to change this to Uganda currency. If you remember, I bought 100 worth of USDT with 75,200 naira. Then they will tell you to come over here. Since you are using cheaper, come over here to build the order that you want to sell. And someone that want to buy from you, as for example now, let's say you are this guy over here. You are this guy over here, you want to sell, then you have make this order. And after selling this, it will tell you to put 100. So you'll be paying, it will tell you you'll be receiving 333,800 Uganda currency. So right now, they will tell you to go to your, like, you're going to receive this. Then you come to this cheaper. And you actually press this to know how much you'll be getting. 33800. So now right now you think you'll be making 3,000 profit on this trade. Let me now show you why this is not possible. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to show you my trade history. I'm going to show you my trade history. This lady over here, I sell $10 because I want to try this out. Maybe this is possible or not. I sell this to this girl, to this lady over here, around when USDT to naira is trading around 751 to $1. And I said it to this guy. Can you imagine? As you can see over here, he said the lady sent me 36,469 Uganda currency. So then I received 5,378. Let's go back again. If you remember, send. I select paste. I select this guy again. You remember you are using Uganda and I input this in this province. 36,469. It shows that if I send, like, I don't know, I just have to calculate with this calculator on my screen over here. So he said I'll be sending this amount, then be receiving this amount. So I'm going to make it to, okay, I see if someone send me this amount of money, I will receive this. But now I'm not receiving 7,600. So I'll actually lose 2,000 naira on this trade, which is on $10 trade. So that's why you just need to check a video. Like, you found video online, you just have to check this with a little money, like $5 or $10. So just check this, as you can see over here. Just check this before you make a trade. As you see, I receive $36, then this is worth of Uganda money, 36,000. Then I receive 5,737 naira. But when I'm calculating this, 36,900, I think I'm going to get more than 7,000. So actually, I lose 2,000 on this trade. So this is how this works. It's not possible to use this cheaper account, this cross-border transaction on for arbitrage. Just need to be careful. They won't make trades. They will just tell you it's possible without making trade. So make sure you stay safe, guys. If you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like the video so this video can get to more people, so they won't fall victim. So thank you guys for your time.